The vivo iQOO Neo11 launching in China on October 30, 2025, is clearly built for people who care about performance, endurance, and a premium daily experience without pushing into ultra-flagship pricing. It runs Android 16 with Origin OS 6, feels solid in hand with an aluminum alloy frame, glass front, and fiber-reinforced plastic back, and comes in at either 210 or 216 grams with an 8.1mm profile. This phone supports GSM, HSPA, LTE, and full 5G connectivity, uses dual nano SMS, and adds serious durability with IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance plus drop resistance up to 1.2 meters. Before we go deeper, make sure to subscribe and like the video if you enjoy tech-focused breakdowns like this, because it really helps the channel grow and keeps more content coming. Now, back to the iQOO Neo11, which immediately stands out with its massive 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED display. You get a sharp 1440 by 3168 resolution with around 510 pixels per inch, a smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and 1 billion colors. The anti-reflective coating and rock glass protection make it feel like a panel designed for both indoor clarity and outdoor visibility. Under the hood, Vivo is using the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset built on a 3nm process, paired with the Adreno 830 GPU. The CPU setup includes 2 high-performance cores clocked at 4.32 GHz and 6 efficiency-focused cores at 3.53 GHz, which translates into fast app launches, stable gaming performance, and smooth multitasking. From a tech enthusiast perspective, this is about as cutting-edge as Android hardware gets right now, especially combined with Android 16 optimizations and Origin OS 6 refinements. Memory and storage options are generous and clearly aimed at power users. The iQOO Neo11 comes with UFS 4.1 storage in 256GB, 512GB, or even 1TB configurations, paired with either 12GB or 16GB of RAM. There is no card slot, but with these storage options, most users will never feel limited. This setup is ideal for heavy gaming libraries, 4K and 8K video recording, and long-term use without constantly managing space. On the camera side, the phone keeps things practical and performance-driven. The dual rear camera system features a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization and PDAF, paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera offering a 119-degree field of view. Video recording goes all the way up to 8K, along with 4K and 1080p options supported by Euro-based electronic stabilization, making it a solid choice for creators who want clean, stable footage straight from their phone. For selfies and video calls, the 16-megapixel front camera delivers 1080p video at 30 frames per second. It is a straightforward setup that fits the overall philosophy of the device, focusing more on consistency and reliability rather than flashy extras. Combined with stereo speakers and the absence of a 3.5mm headphone jack, the audio experience leans modern and immersive, especially for gaming and streaming. Connectivity is another strong point here. You get Wi-Fi 7 support with dual-band capability, Bluetooth 5.4 with advanced codecs like aptX lossless and LHDC5, NFC, an infrared port, and highly accurate positioning using GPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, and QZSS across multiple frequency bands. The USB Type-C 2.0 port supports OTG, covering most everyday accessory needs without complications. Security and sensors are handled well, with an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner under the display, along with accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and compass. These features come together to provide fast unlocking, reliable navigation, and smooth motion-based interactions. It is a complete sensor package that feels appropriate for a phone positioned at this level of performance and price. One of the biggest highlights is the battery. The 7,500 mAh silicon-carbon lithium-ion battery is massive, and it supports 100W wired charging, along with 44W UFCS and 55W PD 3.0 and PPS standards, plus reverse wired charging. For heavy users, this means long screen-on time and quick top-ups that minimize downtime, which is exactly what you want from a performance-focused device. The vivo iQOO Neo11 comes in black, white, orange, and blue, carries the model number V2520A, and is priced at around €320, making it extremely competitive for the hardware on offer. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, because your support makes a huge difference and keeps these detailed tech reviews coming.